Oh. Okay guys, here we are outside, and it's got some snow on the ground. It is cold outside. It is about 0 degrees. I don't know what the feel like temp is, but it's cold. I know that. I got my Carhartt coat on today, and I usually don't wear coats all that often. So that's steering servo right out of the box. Yeah, that's real nice. Seems like that's gonna need switched out also, but we're gonna rip it out here. Let's see what it does. Not exactly the best test of it out on snow and everything, but that's what we're gonna deal with today. And front tires ballooning up. Turn them into pizza cutters real quickly. So definitely gonna have to tighten up the diff a little bit, the center diff. Tell that right off the bat, for my liking anyways. Get her out on some pavement. I do have the GPS or the speedometer in here too, so we can check it out, see what it does. Turns real sharp, lifts that back tire off the ground. Looks like it'll easily do a wheelie. Ride the wheelie bar. Go to track. That is that one that's working. We've got about 12 satellites. Alright, we'll see what it does out here. See what it does in frigid temps. It's gonna do a bunch of wheeling. A bunch of front tire pizza cutters. Full trigger. We'll run it once back the other way. Full trigger. Yeah, I was able to hold that full trigger for quite a while. So that should have got the best speed it's going to get today anyways. Let's see what we got here. Stop. Come on, baby. Read. Ooh, we got 77 kilometers. Yeah, we don't want kilometers. Let me switch that over here. Let's see what it does. We're on track. I'm going to start. It's reading it. All right, we'll get it out there and we'll see what it does in these frigid temps. Should be far enough. Full trigger. Oh, that's full trigger. Even bouncing up on the curb. Here, we can run it back. Full trigger. Them front tires are definitely ballooning a lot. So we should be able to see. I was able to hold it full trigger for quite a while here. Let's see, stop. Read 45 miles an hour. That's what we were able to get today. Like I say, it is pretty cold out right now. One thing I'm noticing is just how them wheels are kind of out of balance, or not mounted right or something. You can wiggle them back and forth. Kind of noticed that a little bit ago. Kind of hard to see maybe on camera, but you can see them tires going in and out, in and out. That's all of them. All of them are doing it. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, we'll do a backflip. That's good. That's all stock settings. We're still on the stock pinion, which I think is a 15 tooth. Not big air, but it's awfully cold out right now too to be getting too big of air. Yeah, them front tires, man, they balloon quickly. It looks like it'll turn backflips all day long, even that ramp's not even set up for the highest. There we go. Nice little backyard basher. And I have the Vortex, the new Vortex 2 to 3S. So we'll be trying that out too. I haven't ran it yet, but we will. There we go. Ramp shaver. I think that grip tape might have helped a little bit with on the ramp. Oops, not there, it didn't. But I think it might have helped a little bit. At least get a little traction going up the ramp. Right now there's no traction much going on out here. Just got to use momentum. Oh, tree. Doesn't want to turn to the left worth of crap. And why is that? Everything seems tight. That's how that diff needs tightened up big time. I can do stuff like that. It won't turn to the left. Darn. Well, guess we'll have to take it out and figure out what's wrong with that. Yeah, it ain't turning to the left worth of crap. It ain't at all. I'm full turned left and ain't not doing anything. Well, we can turn right. Not going to work in NASCAR. Let's see, make sure all my steering things are, yeah, all my steering stuff is okay. Seems to be anyways. Well, I guess we're going to have to take it in. Come on, pull the stick with you. What did get caught up in? Let's take her in, see what she's gonna do. Okay guys, I just brought it in, and looking at it from what I can see at the moment without digging into it too much is it's turning right just fine. It'll turn right, but it won't go left. And you can hear it. And it is, you cannot turn it to the left at all. It does not want to go. We'll have to see what that problem is. We'll have to, I'm going to let it thaw out and then take it apart. So, and also another thing I noticed, right just as I was taking the body off, it has no roof skids on it. And the Vortex does, which is kind of wondering why this is a basher and it doesn't have the roof skids on there. Kind of don't like that. But we'll see. Maybe I can add some and somebody will come up with something, hopefully. So, alright guys. Well, I appreciate you just watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Later.